To know more, learn more. In this video, I will tell you about how to get monetized on TikTok for beginners. Here are the main points. Become an influencer. Sell your own products. Publish sponsored posts. Let's get started. Everyone who spends time and effort on developing their TikTok channel then obviously would want to earn money for all the work they are putting in. Well, after watching this video, you will be able to make extra income from TikTok. Number 1. Become an influencer. Build it and they will come, as the saying goes. This idea also applies to TikTok. You'll be able to get influencer partnerships with businesses all around the world that want to connect with your audience if you establish an account with a dedicated and engaged following. A company will invite you to advertise its products or services in your TikTok videos as part of an influencer marketing deal. Money or free goods from the firm are the most typical forms of reimbursement. Many people think that you need to have millions of followers to do so, but they are wrong. Many businesses choose to deal with micro-influencers or influencers that have a smaller following. The definition of a micro-influencer varies based on who you're talking to and the size of the market you're trying to reach, but it's usually somewhere between 5,000 and 50,000 followers. Now, you will have to put some time into building a following, but this is going to be worth it. Number 2, sell your own products. If you have a TikTok for Business account and are from the United States, Canada, or the United Kingdom, you may be able to add a shopping tab and product links to your profile. The shopping tab is a new feature introduced as a result of TikTok's cooperation with Shopify. It's intended to assist TikTokers who have a Shopify store in promoting their items via the app. Users who click on a product link are sent to the merchant's Shopify site, where they may make a purchase. Although it isn't a direct way to make money on TikTok, you may still profit by driving sales to your business. For example, if you like selling food, then you start your own service and then make small 30-second videos on TikTok to further market your business. Another thing you can do is to sell your own handmade items by making small videos of them on TikTok. Number 3. Publish sponsored posts. Sponsored content is another option to make money with your TikTok account. When businesses approach you, or you approach them, to showcase their products in your film, this is what happens. They recompense you for your services by paying you with a fee. To begin, engage with smaller companies to grow your portfolio. Inquire with local businesses in your neighborhood to see if they'd want to be listed on TikTok. It can be a good idea to start with a low cost and work your way up once you've established yourself as a TikTok creator. If you really want to make more money, then you can become a part of the TikTok Creator Fund. But it has a lot of prerequisites that beginners are not likely to meet. For example, you need over 100,000 followers and likes. So obviously, that isn't going to work out for you. So it's best to keep focusing on making creative TikTok videos that you can share with fans to get some sponsorships. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch the next video to learn more.